Welcome to Kombucha. In this video we are going to introduce you to one of our new products, the Kombucha Syrup. We have created this for your convenience so you can save time and make your kombucha brewing just more quicker. The conventional method, as you are aware of, takes quite a bit of time because you need to cook up your tea, mix in the sugar and wait till it's cooled down. Now with the Kombucha Syrup, all you have to do after you have bottled your kombucha and left some of it for your next batch is to just fill in some filtered water into your jar, approximately to here. As you can see, I have filled up the kombucha jar with filtered water, and now we are going to add our kombucha syrup into the jar. So when you have your pouch, simply cut the corner away and empty the whole pouch into the kombucha jar. That's it. And if you have some space left to the top, simply fill it up with filtered water. And once you have done this, put back on your cloth in order to protect your kombucha. Zack. Too easy. You can now get this kombucha syrup on our online store, and you can choose between a 4-liter pouch and an 8-liter pouch. Each of these pouches makes a complete kombucha batch. And if you like to save 20%, simply subscribe. You might ask yourself, what is kombucha syrup? Kombucha syrup is our own formula consisting of the perfect organic tea blend and sugar that we use in order to brew our own kombucha, and is the perfect food for your Scoby in order to create an amazing tasting kombucha batch.